All right, what's going on, folks? Let's talk real quick about optimization of the ads. I got my retargeting video views going on here. I've got the 3 other ads. So let's talk about how I look at these. And again, there's no real magic because it'd be great if you went from click to lead to sale. But in the local business world, and that's what everyone teaches, right? So that's what it makes it confusing. In the local business world, it's the click, which to me is someone raising their hand, and then they see your stuff, and then maybe they forget about you. Maybe their problem's not big enough. Maybe they got interrupted. Maybe they start researching you. Okay, now I got to Google this person, see what kind of reviews they're going through it. They're going to research what you're talking about. Are you lying to them? All of those things. So it's that. And then it's not a sale online, so it's a little harder to track exactly where they came from. Even if they pick up the phone and call you and you say, yeah, how did you hear about us? Which you should be, by the way. Find out where your prospects and new patients are coming from. And they say, I saw one of your things on Facebook. Cool. Well, guess what? You don't really know if they came from here, or from here, right? And the retargeting is going to be lumping all of those in there, but you don't know which one of these they came from. So you kind of have to do a little math on this and say, okay, where am I getting hopefully my biggest bang for my buck? Because I'm not opposed to expensive clicks, expensive video views, expensive any of that. It's only expensive if it doesn't work. So if someone's looking at this one, I got $1.38 per click on this deal. Now, some people might look at that, oh my gosh, I get 25-cent clicks. And I want results. I don't care about the cost per click. If someone's going to if you look at Google and you end up spending $10, $20, $30 a click, so long as at the end of the day, you get the positive return on that ad spend, then that's what I look for. But it's tough to measure this. So I'm just going to show you some of the things that I look at when I'm coming in here. I've got my 3 things that I'm looking at. I got the lifetime of these. And let me scroll over here. That's not working. All right. Little delay. I look at then, what am I trying to get done? I'm getting $1.38 per click. This is a blog post click. So they've gone over there and they see some of my stuff on there. You can compare then as well the $10 per 1,000 impressions compared to the video views, $8.68. Ooh, the engagement, $25 to get 1,000 people to see it. So if you just look at them linear, it's not real encouraging that way. But then you come back and look here. This one's 44 cents per post engagement, 9 cents a video view. Most people are just going to go right to that because it seems the cheapest, right? 9 cents, $8.68. And then this one, and I covered it up, $1.38 a click. Go that way. Well, I'm really only going to change one of these. But let's go through a few more things. If we scroll across, what do we got here? You can look at your click-through rates. The click-through rate, which I'm not real pleased with, is the less than 1% on my blog posts. Those are clicks. All right, now I can do a lot of things with this too. I can go in and I can change my image. That's the first thing I would do to edit this, but I'm not going to just at the second. I'm just going to decrease it because we have a limited ad budget. So I need to be able to play inside of that ad budget. And since I have my retargeting going now, I need to decrease somewhere. So that's there. The video views is a low click-through rate, but it's not meant to have a higher click-through rate necessarily. All right, we'll still look at that. And the engagement, again, a low click-through as far as to what I have on there. But then you come over to click-through rate all, and it has a high because it's meant to get engagement on the post. So Facebook is showing it to people who are more likely to click on it, not necessarily click over to the website or anything else. But this is people raising their hand. They click on it, it gives me people to retarget, it gives me a pool of people that I want to communicate with further. So that's something that I like to see when I look through. These two, again, the click-through rate, all still not good. I like to see generally, and not necessarily on the video views, I should just say for this one, I like to see this click-through rate be 2% or higher, and then my click-through rate all goes even higher than that. So some things to look at. You got to measure it the way you know how, but let's keep rolling over here. Man, I'm really laggy on the interwebs today. So let me click off of here, back in. So we've got page likes, getting some page likes from the blog post. Not really what we're looking for, but it's an extra thing to get on there. Here's one of the reasons too, I did a different tutorial on this. When people engage with your stuff, when they like your stuff, there's a little, and look back through the videos, little area where you can go then and invite them to like your page. It's like free retargeting. Find the video, do it. If you're not, you're wasting, well, I shouldn't say you're wasting money because you're not spending anything, but I think you're passing up on a great opportunity to get some free re-engagement with those people. All right, so let's look. We got post shares. 7 people have shared this post. Again, there's another opportunity. I think I shared that video. If I haven't yet, it will be coming out. An opportunity for you to go re-engage with people that have shared your post. If not, I know it's already on YouTube, so you can check my YouTube channel where I put a bunch of my tutorials as well. Okay, so here we're looking at the video views, and I've optimized for 10-second video views. So these people have watched it. For 726 people have watched it for 10 seconds. Now look at this as well. How long was that video? I don't remember if it was. Let's bring it up and find out. How about that? Ryan Robinson, we've got headaches. Where is it? It's probably under used headache drugs, headache. Okay, this is the first one that we went with. Oh, that's not it. It's under final. It's edited, so let's find out how long. So 3 minutes and 25 seconds is how long this video is. So 10 seconds, all right, we know how long that is. Now, 99 people have watched it for 25%. So what is that, like 45, 50 seconds that people have watched it? They now have engaged with Ryan for 50 seconds, whatever that is. Now, 50%, 56 people have engaged with him for 145, right? And then 34 people have gone on and engaged with him for about 3 minutes. You guys do the math on this. 95% and 100%, 16 people have stuck with him now for 3 minutes and 25 seconds. That is what I really like to see, and that's what's really cool about videos and video ads. And so many people are afraid to run them. They're afraid to actually do them, not afraid to run them. But man, you can be an absolute rock star in your community if you do video views, and more importantly, videos of you and video testimonials. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be throttling this one back. Here's why. When you pause an ad that, again, the results aren't horrible, I'll go back in and I will change an image on this and see if that changes it. But when you pause an ad, it takes it out of the Facebook queue of what they're doing for optimizing. All right. When you decrease your ad spend so you just don't give them much to spend, it doesn't do it quite like that. So I'm just going to change this. All right, laggy internet. Let me go change it. There we go. All right, so what do I got? I've got, let's click on edit this. Hopefully a good takeaway is how to measure some of these metrics. And the other thing is videos. Be a rock star in your area. Do videos, give good valid information, and retarget and use videos of you and videos of your patient testimonials, all right? Don't sweat the lengths of the videos. You can see to give good information, 3, 4, 5 minutes. You can see mine. How long have I been yapping at you right now? I don't even know if I can see that right at the second. I can't see it. My videos range anywhere from 6 to like 20 minutes, but hopefully I'm giving good information. So yeah, I'm gonna wait on that, man. I'll chop this part out. There we go. See how that works? The beauties of video as well is right there. So let's see what we've got. Start date. Okay, so I want to decrease my budget now. I've already spent 176. So what if I drop that to 200 and only give them $25 more to spend? Oh, it must be at least 251. So let's give them 252. Okay, all errors have been resolved. So they still want me to spend over the course, and we'll see. And maybe based on that, I don't want to basically give them that much more money to spend. Ends October 10th. So we're talking about 2 more weeks. That's going to give them $75 more. No, I'm not even going to give them that ad spend. That's how you do it if you're going to do it, but that's what they're also going to make you do it when you do a lifetime budget. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to go back. I'm going to close out of that. I don't want to publish it. And I am going to simply just pause this one, the whole campaign, because I don't want to give them that much. If I was going to give them $1 or $2 a day, I might, but I'm not. So pause. And we will come back and we will revisit this ad. And like I said, optimize it differently just with the new one, and then we can compare them. And we'll get slightly different results, but it's better that way than to give them an extra $75, right? All right, hopefully you got something out of this one. If you got questions, let me know. And like I said, check out some of the other videos and let me know if you have any questions.